Term insurance policy. So next we will see the term insurance policy. First, before going to term insurance policy, you should have a basic idea about term insurance policy. You know anyone who is have a knowledge about term insurance policy? What is term insurance policy?
I believe nobody is having a term insurance right now.
Yes, absolutely. So term insurance,
Sir,
those
like RD amount, sir.
Can I add?
yes.
Yeah, like what the liabilities of, so
Hello.
we can be take the term insurance. Yeah. Hello.
Yes. Please, Ankit, please.
Yes, Ankit from Gujarat. The term insurance is near about like whatever the liabilities we have. So we take around of amount of term insurance plan help to the families.
Okay. So the term insurance plan is better for the person who have a dependent person. For example, if you are unmarried, you don't have any person who dependent on you, like your father and mother is already earning, or your brother and sister is earning. You don't need any dependent person. That means some term insurance plan is not for you. Term insurance plan is for the person who have a dependent person, like a father or mother who have children or a wife who is dependent on only one source of income. Those person need a term insurance, because if he's not there, his term insurance surplus fund will guide the entire family for their future endeavor. So term insurance plan is better for the person who have a dependent person rather than the single person. So there are so many term insurance plans available, but depend upon your need as well as financial requirement, you take the term insurance plan. Don't take term insurance plan blindly by some advisor who is telling this term insurance plans can give so much of fund and this term insurance is giving so much of fund, something like that. Read the entire brochure, plan the term insurance according to your need. So next we will see SSA. Anyone in the audience who have a female child?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Anyone who is invested in SSA?
Two daughters invested, sir.
Okay. Sir, Kumar,
2 lakhs, sir.
did you invested in SSA?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you highlight?
Sir, actually, the Samruti accounts are benefited for female child, sir, benefits. From around lakhs is we invested, sir. Just 2 lakhs, we have deducted the tax benefit also, sir. We will get the tax. After 18 years of child, we can get around 50% amount. And after 21, sir, we can.
Yes. He highlighted few important things actually. SSA is a good investment option. The person who have a female child, up to 2 female children, you can invest in a SSA option. It has a higher return because it's backed by the central government of India. The rate of returns varies according to the government policy. It has around a return of 7.5% to 8%. Now they're giving around 7.5%. So this can be only taken for the girl children. He already highlighted up to 2 children you can invest in SSA. The rate of return is much higher, and you can invest a partial amount at the age of 18 years and the entire amount up at the age of 21 years. This SSA you can deduct from your income tax rebate up to 1.5 lakhs, not 2 lakhs, up to 1.5 lakhs you can show the rebates. So these are the few important points. Who can open this account? Either parents or legal guardians. You can open the account in authorized bank or post office. One account per children, maximum of 2. Minimum investment amount is 250 rupees up to 1.5 lakhs. You can invest maximum amount, but reduction up to 1.5 lakhs. But the important thing is every year you have to invest in SSA. If you fail to invest in 1 year, Again, you have to pay some penalty, then continue your investment option. The rate of interest around 8.5% to 7.5%. Now it's around 7.5%. Post office fixed deposit also have a good investment option, but the rate of return is slightly higher than the bank's fixed deposit. So people who want to go for a safer investment option, either bank FD or post office FD, you can prefer the post office FD rather than the bank FD. Then next investment option is PPF. Anyone who is invested in PPF? Anyone invested in PPF? Public Provident Fund?
Yes.
Oh, sir, you can invest up to 1.5 lakhs per annum,
Yes.
and so every year you invest some money. You cannot withdraw the amount before the end of the period.
Yes.
If at all you have any emergencies like child marriage or constructing a house, then you can take a part of your money in between. But the completely tax free, and you are getting tax benefit even during the period you are investing. And this is the best investment option. Don't pay tax in at point of time.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. So people who is paying tax, people who is earning more than 50,000 or who is people already paying the tax, the better investment option is PPF. So the minimum tenure is 15 years, but you can extend the periods up to 5 years as per your wish. So minimum investment option is 500 rupees and maximum of 1.5 lakhs for each financial years. You can open the account with just 100 rupees. Annual investment above 1.5 lakhs will not earn the interest, as well as not eligible for tax saving. Next investment option is National Pension Scheme. This also have a good investment option. Anyone who is invested in NPS, National Pension Scheme?
Yes.
Yeah, I have
Invested.
Recently, I also invested,
Very good.
but
Very
the
good.
returns, I think it is negative for the past years.
Yes, you
So
know
that is
why?
because investing in a shares and also
Yes, yes, yes.
equity fund they are investing. So
Yes, actually, National Pension
will
Scheme
be
have
growing.
they will invest their entire surplus amount into equity as well as debt, but most of the money invested in the equity market. Um, okay, so
We can make the choice also where to invest.
yes, 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 yes. So there are different investment option in National Pension Scheme. So it has two tier one and tier two. Tier 1 is called a pension account. Tier 2 is apart from additional Tier 1 NPS account. You can have a claim tax exemption up to 50,000 under 80 CCD apart from 1.5 lakhs under the 80 C. So this can vary according to the government guidelines. So we are going to see some few more tax exemption in upcoming budget, which is going to be there on 1st February. Next is
Is
national
it apart from this plus
yes, yes.
apart from 1.5 fund 50,000?
Yes, yes,
Are
1.5
we going
lakhs
to get
plus 50,000.
additional?
Anyone who
Yeah.
invested in National Savings Certificate?
You can just permit. Can I just say in this is Pranav Shah.
Yes, yes, yes. Sir,
Right.
sir, first important and foremost thing is this is a healthy discussion. Actually, more than the lecture, I want to have a healthy voluntary participation of person because money management everyone should know. At least they should have some ideas.
In the previous mentioned about is right, sir. In NPS, what you mentioned, the advantage for people working in the organization like all of us, we have more option that invest is this one. Plus, if you invest on behalf of the company also, there's a particular amount of percentage of your package that they allow you. That
Yes.
becomes an additional. Otherwise, you cannot go more than 50. But if you are an employee of the organization, 50 plus some percent of salary, we get it from the HR. So
Yes.
that will be an additional benefit.
Additional.
Just to give
Yes. Okay, next is National Savings Certificate. This is a fixed income investment. You can open in any post office branch. This is initiated by Government of India. It has a fixed maturity period of 5 years. You can also rebate under ATC Income Tax Act up to 1.5 lakhs. The rate of interest around 6.8% at present. So next two important thing I'm going to highlight. First one is Pradhan Mantri Bima Yojana. Anyone who have an account on Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana?
Have some age limit
Yes,
here.
it has a age limit. But anyone who invested in this is actually not investment. It's a kind of some kind of backup. Anyone? Because the premium is very less. Anyone invested in Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana?
I think it is mandatory. All the banks, no,
Not like
for
that,
this.
sorry. You have an option. Either you can take it or you can omit it actually. Central banks are insisting people to go for Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, but private bank is not insisting. So this scheme is available for the people age of 18 to 70 years, but people has to give their consent to join or enable auto debit on or before 31st of May. The risk coverage in the schemes for 2 lakhs for accidental death and full disabilities of 1 lakh for 1 lakh for partial disability. The premium per annum is 12 rupees. These 12 rupees you can spend every year for a surplus amount of 2 lakhs. So people who doesn't have a Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, try to get open this Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana, because you are spending only 12 rupees per annum, but your cover comes under up to 2 lakhs for accidental death and full disability, 1 lakh for partial disability. Second one is Pradhan Mantri. Am I audible? Sir, am I audible?
audible, sir.
Yeah. Next is Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima. This also covered in the age of 18 to 15 years who have a bank account, and he has to give the consent for to open this account. The life cover up to 2 lakhs in case of death due to any reason. The premium per annum is 330 rupees, which is auto debited from the bank account. So try to open these two accounts. The investment amount is very minimal, but the corpus amount is around 2 lakhs. Next is tax saving fixed deposit. The tax saving fixed deposit also you can claim up to 1.5 lakhs and the ATC. But the problem is the final amount which is you are getting apart from 1.5 lakhs is taxable under Income Tax Act.